everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. I wanted to show you guys another unit we have on the ground. This one is stock number 14727. This is a 2019 Cargo Craft 7x14 insulated with windows in one of my favorite color combinations. This one is in a silver with a blackout package. You do have the all black diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and up the V-nose, so great rock protection there. Great LED running lights, I hope you guys can see that along the top. Plus you've got little markers on the fenders, which is really nice, you know, right where the trailer is behind you at night. Extended triple tube tongue, so you guys are going to have a great turning radius with this extended triple tube tongue as well. Side door does have double lock protection with the RV lock and a cam bar. Nice gutter over the side door, and then you have two 3,500-pound axles. Brakes on all fours, of course. Black mod wheels to match your blackout package and a black diamond plate fender. This one again is insulated with windows. We'll look at that more in a second. Side vents, so it gives you guys a little bit of natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is really nice if you guys are going to be hauling dirt bikes, razors, UTVs, anything with fuel in it. You also have drop down stabilizer jacks underneath, which is those dirty things right there. We just had some rain, so sorry. And also rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. You also have the black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb, LED strip tail lights, nice gutter over the rear door as well. Now this one does have a 7-foot interior height in it, so if you guys do have razors and UTVs, most of them will fit in here with this extra interior height. You have 4 D-rings ready to go in the floor and a nice painted interior floor, insulated walls and ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, and then 2 of the 18x44 slider windows with screens. Now these are also tinted, and you can open up the screen all the way and they're lockable. So really nice windows, gives you guys a lot more light through the trailer. Maxx Air roof vent overhead. Couple of LED interior puck lights. These are super bright little efficient lights. I love these. Plus they have a toggle switch on them, so you can control them individually or you can flip them on right here next to the side door with this light switch. Backside of this RV lock gives you guys this piece right here, which is the lock-a-latch and a set of keys, which is a nice feature. You've got E-track in the walls, recessed, ready to go, so you've got some additional tie-down points there as well. So lots of different options with the floor tie-downs and the wall tie-downs, and then that extra vent up there is in that top left corner that you guys can see. You get about a 5,000-pound payload capacity with this unit. It does weigh 1,900 pounds as well, so it's lightweight, easy to tow around, easy to use. And as always, we'd love to earn your business. This one is on sale for $7,677 plus tax. So give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com. And we also have shipping options available for you guys. So you can call or email and get a shipping quote if you don't live near us and you still would like to have one of our trailers. So again, 303-688-8485 or coloradotrailersinc.com.